How to change sleep mode alarm sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on modes and routines. Next, tap on sleep. And then tap on your sleep schedule right here. And then tap on sleep schedule. Then from here, we scroll down and tap on alarm sound. So tap on that. And then from here, tap on ringtone, tap on allowed. And from the list, select a ringtone that you would like to use. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key. And then tap on the back key again. And here we got the office phone as the alarm sound for sleep mode. Now don't forget to tap on the save button to save the changes. And then tap on done. You can also make the change by going to the clock app. Then tap on the alarm tab down here at the top here. Tap on your sleep mode alarm. And then tap on alarm sound. So from here you can also change it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.